guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So I wanted to do a tutorial on eye makeup and I did a poll on Instagram and people wanted to know how to do half cut crease makeup, eye makeup. So guys, I have made this small video for you all who are beginners at makeup just like me. So yeah, whatever I try on myself, I wish to share it with you guys as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get started on how to do half cut crease makeup look. So I have prepared my face already. This is baking. I have applied the rouge, I have applied blush, contour, highlight, everything is done. Just the eyeshadow and the eyebrows are left. So I'll be telling you guys how to go about it. So firstly, you need to make the base of the eyeshadow with a light color. So I'll be doing a brownish copperish shade. So I'll take the lightest brown in my palette and make a base. So I'll be taking this peaches shade for now, the lightest one, and apply it in circular motions on your eyes. Now we will take a darker shade, one shade darker. So I'll take this brown color in my brush and again blend it. So this is how the base of the eyeshadow is made. You can see the base has a lighter shade and then we have a darker shade. You can apply the base shade again on the upper side of the crease. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow really well. So I will be blending these two shades first before applying any other shade further. So to go further for this thing, you need to take a depositor brush. Take one shade dark. I'll be taking this shade and mixing with this a darker shade and apply it on the outer side of your eye. You just need to deposit it using this brush. Once this is done, you need to blend this as well. So take the blending brush and blend it. You do not need to take it in the inner side of your eye, just blend it on the outer part. You can see how this is giving the good effect to the eyeshadow. Okay, so you can see this is done. I have blended the eyeshadows well. Now it's the time to do the cut crease, half cut crease eye makeup. What you need to do for this is take your concealer, whatever concealer you use, or you can take foundation also, but I would prefer to take a concealer. Apply it over inner half of your eye. Okay. Then with your finger only, just dab it a bit and spread it on the inner eye. Once this is done, you need to take the glitter shade you want to add in your inner corner of the eye. So as I am doing a brown and copper makeup, I am taking this copper shade. This is the shade I am using and I am applying it with my finger only because it blends it well with the finger. Now you can see it's not looking neat. It's clearly showing there's a cut in between. So we need to blend this thing as well. So for this, what you need to do is firstly take another glitter shade and apply it in the middle of both these things. This one is the blending shade. After this, the first base color we took, this And this, you need to take this in your blending brush and then blend it using the brush. You can see now it looks perfect. It does not look like I have done half. It's looking really mixed up, and the colors are blended really well. At the end, you just need to apply the lightest base color you took in the first step and apply it over your crease line just to give it a finishing touch. My eyeshadow is done. Now you can apply your kajal, liner, and then apply a little bit of lightest shade under your eye and mix it with the darker shade.
So this was it for today. You can see the complete look I created, and this one is very simple, like you can do it. I did it just once and I made this video. So yes, this is how it is, and I'll be joining you guys with my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.